Warmer weather means time for some al fresco dining, whether in the park or at the beach. Packing the perfect picnic means having food that travels well and tastes delicious. Celebrity caterer Andrea Correale of Elegant Affairs joins us with great tips on packing a bountiful basket.
So here are some great ideas that you can use to pack in your perfect picnic. First, beverages. This is a great vodka ginger lemonade, and you can easily get a carafe, and they make these carafes where you can actually put a lid on top, so you can put it in the basket and it's nice and safe. But no, it definitely won't spill. And what's great about it is you can kind of bring the presentation up a notch by taking these little lemons, taking off the top, and with a paring knife, you can hollow them out and have these adorable little straws.
I can't even imagine serving them in this. This is amazing.
So you have your little cocktail and it has a great presentation. Asian boxes are another great way to serve food or to pack them in a picnic. And you can also do a really great room temperature item. This is a teriyaki grilled chicken, and on the bottom you have a great Asian slaw with vegetables and a nice miso dressing.
And you just can get these boxes at gift stores.
You can get them online, you can get them at gift stores, at party stores, and you have these little wooden forks which are disposable, and it makes it so easy. Okay, cheese and crackers, right? That's synonymous with a picnic. This is a wooden box. You can get this again at any craft store or online, or use an old cigar box. We have cheddar cheese, grapes, and here we have some crackers.
And that's terrific because you can just plan it that way and then just...
Yeah, you can close the box, put it in the basket. When you open up your blanket at the picnic, you take it out, serve your vodka lemonade, have your cheese, and you're good to go.
So it's so much about what you're bringing the food in.
You know, presentation is everything, and that's why this is special. So if you have somebody in your life that you feel romantic about, you know, this is like a really great thing to do. These are little Asian steamer baskets. You can also find them in a restaurant supply store or online. And here I have vegetable spring rolls, edamame, which is the healthy treat, right? Instead of those fattening potato chips. So you can easily put those in the basket, pack them with the lid on top.
Very smart.
And now for a meal, salad in a jar. So here we have mason jars, which you can get in any supermarket. And today I'm going to make a little Cobb salad, which is really simple. You put the dressing on the bottom, and then you simply put in your spinach leaves. And then I pack it with some egg. And you can really do this with any type of salad. I mean, you name it. I mean, we have different salads here on the side. I have a southwestern salad with corn and Napa cabbage and tomatoes.
This is such a smart way to do it because salad is so hard to usually transport.
Oh, it is so hard to transport. And if you put the salads in the jar, you can then cover them up with a lid, and then if you leave a little room on top, then you can just shake them so it's not messy. Because if you dress a salad ahead of time, what happens? It gets soggy. This gives you the ability to put the dressing on the bottom, shake, and then go.
And this is what the finished product looks like, which is so adorable.
Right, and these are different variations. Here I have cheddar cheese, black beans, carrots, lettuce, and a ranch dressing. And this is kind of like a farm fresh corn and tomato salad.
And I love that you put the fork. You put a little bow and you put the fork there.
Yeah, it's all about presentation. You want to make it special. So here are cookies. Everybody bakes chocolate chip cookies, but a great way to pack them in a picnic is by using these CD holders. So these are CD holders. You can buy them at Staples or any store like that, a business supply store. You can put each individual cookie in the holder and you can write the name on it.
Oh my goodness, that's really
you can label
personalized.
names. If your kids on the picnic, they would absolutely love them.
All right, and now I'm going to make something.
And why not skewer something, right? Because skewers are easy to make and they're easy to pack on a picnic. So these are pasta salad skewers. So basically you take a wood skewer, you put the tortellini on. Next up I do basil. And then you take a little piece of salami, tomato.
Now, if I can do this, this is very easy.
Anybody can do this. This is what it's all about. These ideas are here to inspire you because none of them are really difficult. You really just have to have a little bit of inspiration, put a little bit of time into it, but none of these things are difficult.
And it seems like a lot of these things that you might be able to do quite a bit ahead of time.
Well, you can do it ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, pack it in the basket. And if you have somebody that you really care about and you want to do something special for, this is so inexpensive, it's easy. You can show someone that you put the effort in and that you love them, and it's a great, great way to go.
Great ideas, Andrea. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Cindy.
We'll be right back.